In this age of internet, fake news is fabricated and presented as authentic. Evil is masked as good, and people are misled greatly on a daily basis. Be it false narratives about Israel or the church, if God really divorced Israel in 70 AD and broke his covenant with them, or if God said his covenant with Israel can never be broken and is everlasting, if Israel is totally cut off from God's redemptive plan for humanity, or if Israel remains in a covenantal relationship with God even in unbelief, if scriptures mention church as the new Israel, or if there cannot be a church without Israel, among other theological narratives, Christians today are doing a huge disservice to themselves. They show blind faith in their apologetics teachers and leaders and social media influencers, not bothering to check if what they heard, what they have been taught is true or not. The Berean Christians mentioned in the book of Acts are unique examples for all of Christianity. Acts 17:11 says, "These were more noble than those in Thessalonica, in that they received the word with all readiness of mind, and searched the scriptures daily, whether those things were so." When Paul and Silas explain how Jesus fulfills the Old Testament prophecies about the Messiah, the Bereans were cautious and unwilling to believe without conclusive evidence from the scriptures, hence studied those prophecies, checking Paul's message for accuracy and truthfulness, and find that he is right. The Bereans' response to Paul's sermons and to study for themselves is exemplary and praiseworthy. They demonstrated willingness and reasonable faith to receive the gospel teachings, in that they were willing to be taught and learn rather than having a closed mind. But the most important quality about them is that they were spiritually principled, in that they demonstrated an even more amazing attitude of alertness and eagerness to examine further what they were preached and taught by searching the scriptures daily to see whether it is true or not. They were sincere seekers of truth, studying the scriptures daily, carefully checking for the veracity of what they heard. The Bereans are mentioned for a reason, as a reminder for all Christians to be informed and cautious, and be skeptical of claims, to make a sincere effort to see if what is told and taught is factual and true, by searching the scriptures thoroughly instead of relying on blind faith.